my beloved sons, in another form, I bless you. Now I would like to show you the Bhagwan Giri Chodo Andolan of 2017, driven by writer Divesh Bhatt. These are cows. Here is one: Bhakti, Rendu, Aidu, Mudu, Algu, Edu, Tumedi, Padi. Here are more than 10 number of cows grazing in a temple. This temple is a very old temple, and there are 3 gates but no boundary wall. There are 3 gates of this temple. In one gate you will find a lock over here. This is the lock. This is the Moon Company lock, and this is the pilgrims. Now we would like to visit another lock. This lock has also been closed. Closed, not locked. Locked, never closed. Locked. Gate closed. This is another gate. In this gate has been not working due to some fatigue. फटीग को हिंदी में थकावट बोलते हैं. Now there are also some monuments. Monuments को हिंदी में अवशेष बोलते हैं. Which shows this मंदिर temple was a famous for Bhagwan Giri Pakhandgiri. Now this is third gate. We will have a closer look over third gate. This third gate is opened for cows, not for dogs. Dogs are mainly shifted to Shiv Shankar Mandir or Sai Baba Mandir near Chicken Market. This temple is located in a very far area. So, first at all, on the priority basis, you will have a closer look over cows engraving in the field. Now this is the final view of notorious 150cc bike and cows grazing near 150cc bike. So I was telling about roof. My dear friend, have a closer look. This is not a naked version Google list. This is the electricity connection. You will see an electricity monument. Monuments को हिंदी में अवशेष बोलते हैं. Here was a board. In this board there was an electricity connection, and there are some monuments of fan, but fan has been stolen. There was more than 5 or 6 fans, and there was also a hook. This is the hook. It was used to hang a bell, and this ghanta has been stolen by my followers. All the copper and brass articles have been stolen within 2 or 3 months. This is the storeroom. In this storeroom, you will see a wheelchair, a chair, and some sandals. This sandal was said to be Gadram sandal. There was a writer said to be Valmiki. He wrote, there was a story of Ram ka Land and Sita ki Choot. Ram went to Tihar for 14 years, and in this duration, Bharat Chutiya taken two sandals of Lord Ram. This is one sandal, and another sandal has been stolen by my followers. This sandal was used to kingdom of Lord Ram. Now, these are some other monuments, and this is other chair which has been eaten by घुन. घुन को हिंदी में भी घुन बोलते हैं, इंग्लिश में भी घुन बोलते हैं. This is a store room, and this store room was used for robbery of Pakhandgiri for the last few years. There is also a lock. This lock has been broken by my followers, and this lock again broken in condition, and this is the tube light. You will see a clear picture of tube light found in temple. There was more than there. This is a also bulb with holder, with bulb with beautiful holder. 1, 2, and third and fourth and sixth and fifth bulbs have been stolen. The wall of the temple has been broken by my blind followers. Reason behind breaking this wall is a myth that this temple was used for robbery of Pakhandgiri from last 500 years. Before 500 years, there was a झुग्गी. झुग्गी means hut. हट को हिंदी में झोपड़ी बोलते हैं. In this place, and due to a large amount of robbery from Pakhandgiri of Bhagwangiri, the blind followers made a lantern temple. You will see here lantern temple and also a structure for Ghanta. This was Durga statue, and this is the proof of the wall broken by my followers. This is the proof. This is more than 10 feet broken of wall, and this mandir, this temple has to be broken by both sides. This is another broken by my followers. Due to these breaking, this wall shall be destroyed due to its new emergence. Since I have already told that all the Shiv and Shankar Mandir, including Sai Baba Mandir, has to be converted into dog shelter. But this Shiv or Shankar or Sai Baba Mandir must to be in. This is also a proof of another broken lock. This broken lock has been found here on this place. Actually, I was telling dark shelter has been renamed by name of myself, God Devesh Kumar Bhatt, nearby all chicken markets. But the temple had been constructed not only in urban areas but also in rural areas. In rural areas, there is not a much selling of chicken and mutton, including fish. Actually speaking, the rural people get their rural chicken in their home, but in home they cannot collect a large amount of chicken or chicken skin to be adequate for dogs. So they have decided that the temple of rural population, rural areas should be available for cow grazing. As you are looking in this video, a cow child is running by fear of me. This is another cow engraving Mahua, and this is a very little child of cow which is sleeping, and this is my 150cc used to carry myself towards all the temples of Pakhandgiri, and this two-wheeler used to double vegetable production within 4 or 5 months, and I am sure that this two-wheeler will also provide me a service of humanity for a long time, and in this long time may not be more than 1 or 2 years. Pakhandgiri has been closed. If we are again promise of myself Devesh Kumar Bhatt, this is not a farman of Naxalism by note of Ajay Sahu. And in this farman, I do again hereby challenge that there is no rice puller, no party. People of India have been deeply involved in the foolish activities of Bhagwan Giri, rice puller, classified lootmari, and also there was many problems of Bhagwan Giri and Pakhandgiri. This is the effect of my videos. All the Pakhandgiri of Bhagwan Giri has been closed by myself, Jinda Bhagwan D.K. Bhatt. Rural areas, temples have been reconstructed as per convenience of dogs, and urban areas temple has been reconstructed as per feasibility of dogs shelter, and rural area now get opened for cows and gaiya bale. Again, the undersignee notice a good thing that in major tehsil and district level places, including Chhindgarh, Sukma, Jagdalpur, Karpavand, Jetgiri, Girola, Bakavand, there are mobile shops. In these mobile shops, they are generally used to downloading and uploading video and MP3 files, and these mobile shop owners has to download rice puller nahi video. All these rice puller nahi or Bhagwan Giri nahi or Mandir Chodo Andolan videos has been uploaded by me, and if all nearly all 80% or 60% people able to listen my videos, they will be my blind followers, and they shall be used to stop Pakhandgiri of Bhagwan Giri. All the officers of electricity board to ordered to disconnect temple electricity. जब भगवान होता ही नहीं है, भगवान जब खुद की रक्षा नहीं कर सकता, अरे भगवान को जरूरत होगी तो भोसड़ी का खुद की बिजली बनाएगा और खुद के मंदिर में खुद लगाएगा। ये भगवान के नाम पे मादर चौथ पंडित लोग लूट रही हैं, और ये माँ की लबड़ी संगीता चूत चुदा रही है 9 तारीख को। ये क्या लिख दिया है माँ की लबड़ी? जय श्री राम, राम के लंड को क्या चूत में डालेगी माँ की लबड़ी? That is the reason India is badly slaved in the slavery of Pakhandgiri of Bhagwan Giri। और अजय साहू मादर चौथ, ये तूने अभी तक वर्गीकृत छापना बंद नहीं किया है। ये वर्गीकृत में तेरे बाप की गांड की नौकरी लगाएगा क्या वे चूत मराने की मादर चौथ? इंडिया वालों से अनुरोध है कि किसी भी स्थिति में भगवान गिरी के पाखंड में ना उलझे, इस सुंदर दृश्य को देखें। आपको दूर दूर तक खेत नजर आएंगे, कैमरे की क्वालिटी ठीक नहीं है, जिसको जल्द निकट भविष्य में ओके कर दिया जाएगा। ये दूर दूर तक जो आपको हरियाली दिख रही है, ये सिर्फ डीके भट्ट की मेहरबानी है। और अगर इंडिया वाले चाहते हैं कि मनुष्यता जिंदा रहे और मानव के अस्तित्व का पतन ना हो, तो 2 हत्या करनी जरूरी है। पहली अजय साहू मादर चौथ की, और दूसरी संगीता चूतमरी की 9 तारीख को सीजेएम कोर्ट में। ये देखिए गाय चल रही है, ये गाय चल रही है। मादर चौथ अजय साहू के बाप की गांड जो मर गई है उसको बुरा लग रहा है। ये वर्गीकृत में मादर चौथ गैया की चूत चोदेगा भोसड़ी का। और ये फाइनली सबूत है 150 सीसी। अतः इंडिया वालों को पुनः आगाह किया जाता है कि राइस पुलर नो वीडियो अपने मोबाइल में या तो रेडीमेड डाउनलोड करके रखें और उसको अधिक से अधिक शेयर करें, ताकि इंडिया वाले अजर अमर रहें। थैंक यू, धन्यवाद।